today looks like if it continues to drop, I'm gonna have to jump ship.
Oh, okay, understand.
Yeah, because it's like with money, the money gotta work, bro.
Yeah.
Money gotta work. Um, Peddling along with this girl shit all day. But yeah, bro, it's just I don't know what's going on in the world, man. They're just making shit harder for people.
That's why they need to get rid of these damn banks. The banks is the problem.
Yeah, it's messy.
It's messy at the yeah.
Very, very fucking messy, Octavia. I got this social influencer, man. She makes good money, bro. She's making like 170 grand.
Damn. Okay. I see you.
I,
Shit.
I was like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, yo, how you do that?
Right?
Um, yeah, yeah. This guy owes money. I don't even know how he owes money. I'm going back. I gotta go all the way back to my notes from 2020
Yeah.
and see why. I don't even remember why he owed money. LOERSON. Yeah, it's. That's vertical massive crazy. 2020 was a shit year for a lot of
A
people,
lot.
man.
Yeah, man. Everything was just haywire.
Let me see. But the thing I keep all his records. Let me see. 2020. Did he owe money? He's supposed to get back a refund. So why? I can't figure out why they took money. Um, can't figure that out, bro.
Why they? You know what? The doggone telling me. I'm telling you. The people think since they got that stimulus check, the government ain't gonna take their money back. Yes, they are. Don't
Mm,
sleep on them. They doing it in very subtle ways that you can't really, see it. But they definitely getting their money back.
mm. I need to know why.
Yeah, that's true. But they don't even tell you why until you gotta ask the right questions. That's what scares me.
Yeah, because in 2020 we had a refund coming back.
You see what I mean?
I don't understand why. Uh, refund that year. Hi, Papa. So let me run. But yeah,
Yes.
you can build process a lot faster than that.
Yeah, because I'm making phone calls and getting on them. That's why I'm not just letting it sit. No.
Yeah, because this, like I said, government money
Yep.
definitely moves a lot quicker. But they doing some evil shit, man.
Yeah, wicked
I just
man.
don't know why they flagged it. It's just that's the weird part. Like,
That is weird. Cause that lady, she asked me where we got this money from. Like that's what I'm
that
thinking.
question right there is like, why? It's
Cause
like next time, why would you? Let
yeah,
me see where I got all this money
you
from.
don't even know me.
Yeah, very.
You wouldn't ask a white person that. Like get out of here.
Yeah, 7 grand.
78, 7,800. Like come on.
Like shit. Oh man, people are crazy out here. All right, Papa, let me
All right,
run.
brother. Have a good day. I'll keep you posted.
All right, cool.
All right, peace. All right, so now excuse me. Good morning, family. Good morning, my peoples. Doing this real quick, marking up my charts. Marking up the charts. Pardon me. For my alert, now I'll see the lowest point, which is right here. Put another one. Marking up my N15 to trade on the 1 minute. Very important. Or what's the lowest point? Let me see. It's right here, really. This is the lowest point. This is my breaker block. Let me see. On N15. This white. Alright. She flagged it. Put my alert right here. Where is my fair value gap is right here. It's the strong one. Yep. See how the price reacts to this. What I always do recently, since I've been doing my studies, is, and most definitely, is examining the market as far as it goes. As far as I look for liquidity, I look for fair value gaps, how price responds and reacts to it. Very important. Then I always, let me see, mark the fair value gap with a middle line. Try to put it exactly in the middle. Okay, change the color to the same color as the fair value gap. Then I'll put an alert right here. So when price reaches this, it's very important. This is on the higher time frames on the Apple. So now this is weird of itself. Let me see. This is, I don't like that. Let me delete this, joins. Okay. This high point. The lowest point right here. This is the lowest point. Mark this off. This is on 15. Yeah, she flagged it. Yep. See the fair value gap is right here. Close this one. That was broken. Alright, so this is, let's see, put the note in the passes here. Another note in the passes, pass the bottom of this. Carry. Go in 1 minute. This is this will be another area of interest. Alright, this one. Lock it. Put the alert area. Alright, so to open place it looks okay. Okay, so I came from the alert right here. This is liquidity. This is liquidity. Apple. Okay, value gap. Let's see. do, wait for price to break this bottom fair value gap. Once we break it, then price close below it, you can get in for a trade. It's coming to get this liquidity right here. Very important. You want price to close below this. Okay, very important, and close below it. So fill the fair value gap, but it close below it. That means price shall continue to go down. That's what normally it states. So it's about having patience and knowing what price will do. This is pure price action. Always mark up the higher time frame to see what the condition is in the lower time frames. So now, see, it broke it, but it didn't. I'm not going to close below it. So, and this also is a inverse hammer. If you notice, price didn't close below this. If you notice, it touched it, didn't close below it. Now it's shooting back up. Now, if this ain't gonna play games, this should, this should close green. This indicates it. If it don't, then that's what it is. Okay. So this is a good sign. This fair value gap is being disrespected. So if this closed below it, I will get in for a minute trade. And this shows strength too. So I thought this was going to go up. It did, but now this showing strength. So we got 16 seconds till this candle close. Now if it closed below this, I will get in for a buy. Let me see. Get in for 3. See if it stays below it. Okay, it closed below it, which is very good. It entered this fair value gap, shows strength. Now this shows, look, if you notice, this didn't go above this. Got to pay attention to everything. This is called a consequent encroachment. You try to put it in the center of this box as accurate as possible. Now, see how it broke it and it came down, then try to retrace back up, but it still didn't break it. It came back down. So now look. Okay. Let's see USD is doing. It won't look horrible. This is the regular pair, but this is looking choppy. I don't know. It's looking kind of choppy. It's an uptrend, clearly, because it's above this. It's 50 MA. Look how they're responding. When it's sporadic like this, it's mostly be news. I'm just telling you, it be news. There's something weird going on. Let's see. Alright, so this is the top. This is also the top. So let me mark this up. This is the top two. I'll put this in here. So, another blue. Excuse me. Put the alert right here. This is the bottom. Put it in a line right here. I'm saying this matters, but it does matter. If you notice, probably try to break it, I reject it. Boom. Now let's see if this respects this line. Okay. Let's see, where's the fair value gap at? This is always look for the most recent fair value gap. This is the fair value gap. So let me mark this up. Always mark it with a rectangle. Give it a frame of reference. Figure the line. That'll be your consequent encroachment. Try to put it in the middle as accurately as possible. Okay. Now, how you know you got it good? Because it blends with the line. That's how you know you did it right. So now we wait for price to react to this area. This is an area, like an uptrend or a downtrend are areas. Support and resistance are areas of interest. AOI. Areas of interest where price, you wait for price to respond to it and react, and you keep your eye on it. And then when price reacts to it, you watch. It breaks to the up or breaks to the down. When a price breaks this middle, now I'm watching for a price to go past this and close above it. If it closes above this fit value gap, then I could get in. This is another fit value. This is 2. So, excuse me. Let me clone it. So this is another fit value gap. Now, clone it. Boom. This is in the middle. Oh, right here. Wildin'. Look how far it's going up. Damn. Shit, my nigga. Damn. Right here. Since you got 2, this is called a discount and a premium. See, once it breaks past this, see, this could be traced. See what I mean? It could be traced. So you want it to at least break past this one. And it could go back down. Let me see if this, this gonna tell you, if this candle closed below this, this is the discounted one. This is the premium one, meaning that once price touch this and break past this, then you got a potential to go back up. See, it reached my price. But it did also, let me see a price. Let me see a price break close above this. Let me see how it's looking before I get in. Let's see if price respects this. That's the whole point. See if price respects it. Okay, so it broke past this. Once it break past it, let me just zoom in. It broke past it, respected the fair value gap. Look, even the next candle will go up. Okay. Remember, this is buy side liquidity. I mean, buyers wants to come in, grab this liquidity, and probably go back down. I got two alerts here. See, you could have got in for 2 more trades. Remember, once you break past this and this comes in, it's coming to this liquidity area. This is liquidity. It's coming to this. Simple as that, bro. That's why it's good to mark up your charts and know what to look for. Now it can retrace back down, but it should keep going up. It should, but if not, then we're gonna come back down and shoot back up. Grab this liquidity. I try to keep my trading simple. I don't want to difficult. Look, man, I broke my price alert. Could have gotten in for 2 trades, 1 trade, 2 trades. See, and maybe even 3. If this one closed green, 3 trades. Remember, it's going to liquidity, and it broke the fair value gap. Try to trade simple, but trade confidently in what you're doing. Look, see, you reach your price. And this is also OTC, right? This is OTC. Now, they say OTC is manipulated. All of it's manipulated. The regular pairs and OTC pairs is heavily manipulated. But there is a way to trade it through manipulation by technical analysis and price action. Okay? And understanding the market structure. You trade that, you can get around that manipulation or the algorithm. You know, you may not get it all the time, but you could get it at least 80% of the time, and that's a lot. Trust me, that is a lot. You know, you could have for 3 trades. Once this breaks this price, 1, 2, 3. See, 3 trades. See, you went above it, and it's going above it too. It's very important. I'm gonna end this real quick because take a break. Don't overtrade. Try to trade simplistically. Keep it simple, but be sure what you're doing. See how we're tracing back down? You still could have got 3 trades. 1, 2, 3. You could have got it. If you're tracing back down. Okay? Also, this is a fair value gap right here. Between these 2 candles, 3 candles, there's a gap. Price wants to react to it. Let's see. Price close below this alert, then you know it's going to come back down. If not, it's going to go back up. It will go back up. And where is the encroachment at? Right here. This is the encroachment. If it close below it, it's going to try to go back down. See, it's going to try to come down. Oh no, look at this. Put an alert right here too. Got my alert in between this gap. See, price reached it again. Let me see if it closed above it. If it closed above it, then get in for 1 more trade and I'm done. But let's see what happens. Oh, damn. So it's coming to get that liquidity. So the next one will probably go up too. It's going to go for 1, and that's it. If I get it, if I don't, I'm just going by price action, my alert. It broke the alert strongly. You notice how strong this candle is. Now it's going to break this alert. It should break this alert too. broke past this fair value gap. See if you notice. Look at that. Touch my alert. And let's see if price stays above where I entered that. Also, this is a liquidity grab, buy side liquidity. Very important that you notice buy side liquidity. It's getting that liquidity, then normally price retraces back down at the close of the candle. 5 seconds. Let's see if it holds. It shall. It will. It's going to. Okay. Grab that liquidity, but notice it didn't break past this. Didn't break past this resistance. So this one should be going down, I hope. If not, try to break it again. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Excuse me, everybody. Yeah, everybody. Sorry. It could do that. It could do this too. But you know what matters? The close of this candle. The close. See? If it don't close above this, this is resistance. This is a resistance area. That means that price failed to break it. Buyers failed to break past this. And this is also a resistance area. Excuse me. If I'm right, it should, like I said, it should close. It failed to break past it. Now I try to break it. Remember, the close of the candle past this matters. Just like this candle closed above this, and then this candle kept going up. It should close. It should close above this resistance. No, see, it didn't close. It rejected it. Boom. Okay. All right, I'm out, y'all. Enough of this. Like I said, keep it simple. Don't overtrade or don't overcomplicate it. Learn the basics of it. When you start learning the basics of it, trust me, automatically the advanced stuff will come because you're hungering after knowledge of these markets. That's very important. Stick with the basics, and the hunger for everything else will come. It will come automatically. It will show you videos. All of a sudden you start understanding stuff better because you're studying the basics of it, and you're going on the charts, practicing it and seeing it for yourself. Very important. Like they say, seeing is believing. Same thing on these charts. Seeing the price action, how price action works, is believing. And also try to keep your charts like naked or bare. As far as less indicators, the better, so you can read the price better. Now, you marking up your charts is important because it gives you a point of interest, an area of interest. So when price reaches those areas, now you're watching and waiting to see how price reacts to those areas. So now you're remembering it and you're understanding it better on how to implement a trade or enter the trade. Simple as that, y'all. Stay blessed. Have love for this game, and let's make this money, y'all. Peace.